get out of the way? Why are you so cute? Thank you. Nice butt.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Good morning. We are at the Wallowa State Park. Spent the night at the yurts, which were adorable. They were warm, and we got bathrooms over here. And then we're gonna go ski. Some backcountry skiing. Perfect day. Looking fabulous. Feeling fabulous. Meow meow.
Where were you when you saw the president's plane? I was sitting in the I saw a bunch of skiers.
I'd like to continue to the top of that ridge, and then that leaves the option.
Meters, 7 meters, 4 meters. Okay.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, 25. Ooh, that's steep. Yeah! Almost down. How was it, Nicole?
Pretty cool.
I have that on video, don't worry.
Dude, I'm high on life right now.
Yeah, I don't like a
Yeah, buddy. There's so much powder. Look at that. Have my 2 poles out in case I get stuck.
Hey, I actually get to be in it.
It's rolling.
Woo! Oh, let's take our coats off.